Students, this is NCERT problem 2.11 from page number 49 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. Calculate the energy associated with the first orbit of He positive. What is the radius of this orbit, right? So in this question, there is an ion that is He positive, right? And in this He positive, there is only one electron present over here. First of all, you have to tell the energy of this atom in first orbit, right? And second question is you have to tell about the radius of this orbit. That means you have to tell about this value, right? So to solve this question, first of all, we'll find the energy associated with the first orbit of He positive, right? So for this, we'll use a relation energy of electron in nth orbit is E subscript n equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18 z square divided by n square, and energy is represented in joule per atom. That means you are finding the energy of one atom. Here you have to find the energy of first orbit, right? So for first orbit of He positive, the value of Z, that means the value of atomic number is equal to 2, because the atomic number of helium is 2, right? And n is the number of orbit, right? So number of orbit over here is 1 because we are finding the energy of first orbit, right? So let's put the value E1 equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18 into Z's value, that is 2 square divided by n, that is 1 square joule per atom, right? So E subscript 1 equal to minus 2.18 into 10 raised to power minus 18, 2 square, that will be 4 joule per atom. If you will take the square of 1, that will be 1, and something divided by 1, definitely you will get the same value. E1 equal to minus 2.18 into 4, the value will be minus 8.72 into 10 raised to power minus 18 joule per atom, right? So our next target is to find the radius of first orbit, right? So radius of nth orbit is R subscript n equal to 0.0529 divided by Z into n square. So the radius is expressed in nanometer, right? So let's put the value of n over here. Here Z is the atomic number of helium, that is 2, and n is the number of orbit, that is 1, right? So let's put the values. R subscript 1 equal to 0.0529 divided by Z, that is 2, into n square, that means 1 square nanometer is your unit, right? So 0.0529 into 1, that will be 0.0529, and 0.0529 divided by 2, the answer will be 0.02645 nanometer. The radius of first orbit of helium positive ion is 0.02645 nanometer.